The Intro 9 print in your packet shows the first example we have had of a bolt circle. So let's walk through programming this bolt circle together. First of all, we have to create a new program. Program Manager, New, Conversational. I created a new program in the list. And we're going to go back to the input screen. We're going to select Part Setup, More, and Stock Geometry, so we can set up a piece of solid model stock for this particular print. Take the values right from the print. We have 6 inches in the X, 4 inches in the Y, and we have a part that is 0.75 in Z. And we also notice that the back left corner or upper left corner of this print is 0, so we need to shift our stock 4 inches in the negative direction of Y. Again, because the control always assumes that the bottom left corner of the stock is 0, we need to use the reference positions to move that stock into position if somewhere else is actually 0 on the part. So we go back to the input screen. We're going to go to our tool review and tool setup to set up a few drills. And I remember that tool 1 is already set up as a 1/8 inch center drill, so I don't need to set that tool up. Let's just put tool 3 in here as a drill, 0.25 1/4 inch drill. We'll go ahead and give it some coolant information, speeds and feeds, and so forth. Let's go back to the input screen. And now we have our stock geometry set up, our tools described, and we're ready to begin writing our program. So we'll go to Part Programming. It's going to be a holes operation. And in the beginning, we're going to drill with a center drill. So we do 0.1 for our Z start and minus 0.125 for our depth of our center drill using tool 1. Next hole operation. It's going to be another drilling operation using a drill. And this time we want to start at 100 thousandths above, but let's go down 850, something that we know will clear through the part. We're going to use tool number 3, which was our 1/4 inch drill. I'm going to use a standard pecking cycle of 0.150. And I'm going to pull up above the part 50 thousandths each time I come out of the hole. Okay, so I've created my center drilling cycle, my drilling cycle, and now I'm going to do next hole operation and select bolt circle. Now I'm simply going to fill in the information that it asks for on the bolt circle. How many holes? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 6 holes in the bolt circle. Where's the center of this bolt circle located? It's at 3 inches in the X and minus 2 inches in the Y. The radius, we're told, is a 3-inch diameter, so 1.5 inches radius. And now we have to program the starting angle. That's the location of the first hole, or the most easily determined hole on the bolt circle. In this particular case, we only have one that can be determined, and that is 27 degrees and 10 minutes shy of 270 degrees. So what we're going to do is we're going to first figure out what is that 10 degrees. If we take 10 divided by 60, so 10 minutes divided by 60, we get a decimal equivalent of 0.167. Now I can add 27 degrees to that, 27 plus enter, and that will give me my decimal equivalent for what the decimal equivalent of 27 degrees and 10 minutes is. Now I said 270 degrees minus 27.167 was our starting position, and that's just a little bit shy of 243 degrees. Again, I took 10 divided by 60 to get the decimal equivalent of the 10 minutes. I added that to the 27 degrees, and then I took that sum and subtracted from the 270 degrees, which would have been the 6 o'clock position on our bolt circle. That gave me the starting position for the first hole. Now I can hit the draw button on my control panel, draw options, and draw, and you see that we have indeed created the bolt circle that has been asked for.